Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a vegetable. It is rich in vitamins C and K, phosphorus, and fiber that helps support bone health, boost the immune system, and improve digestion. It is cultivated most in countries like France, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands, where it thrives in cool, moist climates. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as celeriac, 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 celeriac. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about celeriac, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.